This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the minimal HTML, a button with an ID and a container or body to target. Then include your script file with defer or place a script just before /body so DOM elements exist when code runs. Once done, bind to the button using document. Get element by ID, color BTN. Add event listener. This first action attaches behavior. Make sure to use meaningful IDs and test that clicking the element highlights in the inspector. This confirms the button is selectable. You now implement the handler that performs the change. Write a function that sets element. Style. Background color to a valid CSS color like #F0F8FF, RGBA 255.000.5, or a named color. Once the function exists, attach it with Add Event Listener. Click Handler so each click executes reliably. Make sure to prevent default form behavior if the button sits inside a form. You can also read a color input. Value or generate a random hex string for variety. This is where flexibility happens. You finish by testing. Click the button, observe the background, and verify transitions if used. If nothing changes, check the console for null references. This usually means the script ran before the DOM. Solve that with defer or window. Add event listener, DOM content loaded. Also ensure CSS specificity does not override inline styles. Inline style. Background color generally wins, but important rules may block it. One troubleshooting tip: if you see no effect, try document, body, style, background color to rule out a hidden or zero size target.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.